Hi, it's Laura from You Can Learn How to Code, and I'm really excited to talk with you today to talk about this new page on my website. It's a resources page, and this page has been a long time in coming. People have asked me, particularly on Quora, as well as other places, but especially on Quora, what are my favorite um, resources, books, texts, things like that in terms of learning how to program. So this webpage talks about my four favorite platforms, specifically Udemy, which is a great option if you don't have a lot of money to spend, or if you're not sure that you want to take a deeper dive into a topic. You can, purchase a course when Udemy runs sales. Sometimes you can get a course for somewhere between $12 and $15, USD, that is, on Udemy. So that's a great place to try out a new topic if you're just not sure that you want to go too deeply into it. I also use Coursera specializations. I'm piloting a specialization in Coursera right now in the C programming language. And I can tell you all that if I was learning programming from the beginning again, if I was just starting out, I would start out with this specialization. It's really amazing. And so Coursera is a great option, if you want to learn about technical subjects that are taught in academia. So C, Java, algorithms, things like that. Basically, the people who run these courses are college professors, and they put them online through Coursera. So this is a good option if you want to do some projects, and if you want to go more in depth into a topic. You can do a 4 or 6 course specialization depending on what it is. It's also good too if you want to do machine learning or something like that. And you don't have the math background, you can get it through some Coursera courses as well. Um, One of my favorite resources also is Safari Books Online, and I will probably never be without a Safari Books Online membership again. As long as I am working in tech, it's just a fantastic resource. And one of the reasons is, for a monthly or annual membership, you can get access to so much stuff. It's basically, books and learning paths. They have cooperations with, they have arrangements with publishers, and so you can get uh, just a ton of books that you can read online. And so I'm at the point now where I don't really buy any technical books through Amazon. I don't want the hard copies in my house, for one thing. And another, especially if you are involved with something like JavaScript. I mean, when I was first learning, I bought these books and JavaScript, and now they're out of date. So had I started with Safari Books Online, I would have avoided that issue. Um, and then finally, a Udemy nano degree. I'm sorry, not Udemy, Udacity. I get those confused sometimes, but a Udacity nano degree is a great option. Like, let's say you want to become a data scientist or something like that, or a data analyst. You can do an in-depth nano degree where you get a mentor who's dedicated, to helping you. And Udacity now also, for some of their nano degrees, they actually provide career services, which is amazing. I know before I was always hoping that like that they would get rid of the surcharge they used to charge for that. Now they just roll it right in. So that's really cool. I've done a couple of nano degrees, and I am a big fan of those. So if you can afford it, Udacity nano degree is another great option. So these are the four resources I use. Udemy, Udacity, Safari Books Online, and Coursera, just depending on what I want to do. So if you have any questions about which of these programs might be right for you, or you're not sure where to start, please reach out to me. I have helped hundreds of people at this point find the courses that are right for them, depending on what they want to do and where they're at. So you can contact me at laura.white@youcanlearnhowtocode.com, and I will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for listening. Enjoy learning how to code, and if you have any questions, do give me a shout. Thanks.